All right, today we are going to cover how to edit images inside of WordPress. So go ahead and find your media gallery here. Go ahead and pick whatever image you're looking to edit. And this is for sizing mostly. We want to optimize for web, but here are some sections where you could add like a caption, your alt text, which is SEO stuff, description, etc. The main thing though is you want to come down here and edit the image. This is where we're going to size it. So you'll see up here you got a number of different options. You can go ahead and click anywhere on the image itself to set up a crop window. You can drag it in any direction there, resize it until you're happy with it. You could also edit it right here where you can actually pick the height in pixels and the width in pixels that you want your image to end up resulting in. You could also pick your aspect ratio here. So a few different options to pick your crop window. Right here are the dimensions of the image originally. It's awfully big for web. So we'd want to take it down. You could scale it down as such that way as well. Once you're done cropping it, you just go ahead and hit that crop button in the upper left-hand corner there, and it'll resize your image. You'll see the new dimensions there. The rest of these buttons here are pretty self-explanatory. You could rotate it left or right. You could flip it vertically or horizontally. And you have undo and redo buttons. Over here you can select whether or not you want to apply the changes to the thumbnail or all images or just the image itself. Go ahead and hit save once you're happy with everything. And now we have our new image. Brings you back to this screen right here where you can edit your caption and description if anything has changed there. Here you can edit a little bit further into the details. You could set up your SEO description and title for it. The last note we'll give you here, most of the websites that we build do include a caching program. Resizing the images will definitely help for optimization, but compressing them in file size is just the last step that you'll need to do here. So you just click on your fastest cache plugin there, click on the image optimization tab and hit optimize all. Depending on how many images that you uploaded, that number will change, but that's pretty much it. We hope that you found this video useful, and if you are not already a client of Kodiak's and you want some more information on how we can help you, go ahead and follow the contact information below to get a hold of us.